The 2011 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, DVD system, dual airbags, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, fog lights, CD player, security system, power windows, intermittent wipers, overhead console, moonroof, brake assist, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.